Okay, Jyoti and Sumitra, let's start. Sumitra, let's start.
Uh,
The topic is very common. Say anything you want to say. Just start. The topic is very common. You can say anything you want. Jyoti is having a good communication skill and you want to compliment her for such a skill.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Start today.
Yes.
Hello, Jyoti. Yes. You are a good speaker. I want to learn how you so fluently. Yes, Sumitra, ask me.
What happened, Sumitra? Let's continue.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a very informal conversation between two friends, right? So, why are you hesitating? I don't think Sumitra and Jyoti can continue. Okay, Honey is there. And Subham Kumar is also there, right? So, Honey and Subham. Let's continue the same topic. I don't think that Jyoti and Sumitra can continue. So, Honey and Subham, are you there? Honey?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Subham is there, right? Subham?
Ma'am, actually, there are two Suvam.
Okay, yes, Subham Kumar Mahato and Subham. So, who is willing to participate? Say,
I can, ma'am.
you can. Okay. Okay, then, Subham. Let's continue Hani and Subham. Okay, so the topic is same as before. So Hani is having a good communication skill and Subham is going to compliment Hani for her skill, and at the same time he wants to know the secret. Let's continue.
Okay, ma'am. So, Ani, I heard you today when you are teaching your students. Your English is very fluent and it felt very pleasant to me. What is the reason behind?
Thank you so much for your compliment. It's just something that if you are speaking English every day, if you're practicing it, at first I was also not able to speak it very well, but when I started to teach them, it became fluent. That's the thing.
I can compare your English. It feels like you are reading from the Google.
No, since I have a habit of speaking English every day 1 hour, it is in my routine only. As because I'm taking tuition, so it in my routine only I have to speak in English. So as we are speaking Hindi in our day-to-day life, we can speak directly. So like that, it has become just a habit for me. So I can speak English fluent too.
Okay, so can you suggest me some ways to get my English improved like yours?
You can read English books. You first of all you should try to speak it out wherever you can. It is not necessary that in first you will speak English well only. There can be grammatical mistake, but at least you should try. Whatever things you are speaking in day to day life also, as in home we are speaking. You can try it with your cousins or brother and sisters also. For sometimes you can have it practice. You can read English novels. That's it.
So you mean to say instead of saying "Mummy khana do," I can ask "Mummy fetch me some food."
Yeah, you can, and it's a true that I am also doing it sometime, and now it has become something that my mother is also replying me in English only. It's a true fact, not something about conversation. It's a true fact. Sometimes my mother is also replying me in English because I have a habit of taking tuitions. That's why I have habit of speaking in English. Sometimes I'm speaking in English only. I'm asking my mother in English, then she's replying me in English only. You can try it, not necessarily that with parents, but with your colleagues or with your classmates while doing chats, you can do in English. How you learned Hindi? How you learned Hindi? Because you are speaking and you are using it in day-to-day life. That's why you understand it. You got to know how to speak Hindi. That's why English is also the same. If to understand any language, it's the most thing. The one thing which we can do is practice.
Okay, so your English is blowing me out. So we can end this conversation and ma'am will select different candidates now.
Okay.
Okay, thank you both of you. Then Kiranmay, Kiranmay is there. Kundan is also there. Kundan and Kiranmay. Are you there? If you are there in the class, please do respond. Otherwise, those who are not responding, I will remove them from the class. Now, who is willing to participate? Okay, let me tell you the topic at first. Then I think you will be eager to participate, right? Let me tell you the topic. Your friend has achieved a great success in the examination. Okay, and another friend have to congratulate for his success, his or her success. So the topic is very common. Now, who is willing to participate? Ankita is there.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, Ankita. Rahul Goel is also there. Rahul Goel. So Rahul is there, Ankita is there. So suppose Ankita has secured a very good marks in examination, okay, and he has achieved a great success. Rahul is willing to congratulate Ankita for her success. Rahul, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then let's start. You can take 2 minutes. After then, you can start.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, let's start. Ankita and Rahul.
Hello, Ankita.
Hi.
Hi, I had a huge congratulations for your great success in the examination. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much for your grace and blessings. I appreciate you also for your achievement.
I know you work.
Congrats.
Thank you, and I know you worked very hard for the examination. I'm so proud you did so well.
Thank you so much. I'm also so much proud that I have got such a loving friend in my life.
Yeah, it's really nice feeling. I hope you will do.
you get success every exam and every you can achieve everything in your life.
Thank you.
You can
I
continue.
think we
Uh,
can.
yes, you can
I think
continue.
we can.
Ask some other questions also, Rahul.
Okay, ma'am.
Ask
So
some, yes, say,
I know
continue.
you work really hard, but can you share some tips so I can improve my I can also work hard.
Yeah, well, we know that everyone do a hard work, but the thing that matters most is that we have to do hard work in a correct way or in a defined way. Like we have to first set our goal, and then we should work upon it. We have to be stick towards our goal. You can schedule your lifestyle, or you can schedule your lifestyle and can set a routine. You can if you have any particular dream, you can give a special time to that to that dream to achieve that goal, uh, and you can at that particular time you can you should avoid using any other things, that if you are studying with a mobile or any other like laptop, so you have to so you should be stick towards your goal, and should not get distracted. At that particular time you should study much and more, be concentrated, and focus on it.
Yeah, I I understand. Thank you. Thank you for the tips, by the way.
Welcome.
Okay. Thank you, both of you. Now we will move on to our next topic, and I will choose Pius is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Mamta is also there. Mamta and
Yes,
Pius.
ma'am.
Okay.
Same topic, ma'am.
No. The topic is different. I will tell you. So, Mamta and Pius, suppose both of you are colleagues, okay, and Pius has got promotion, okay, and Mamta is going to congratulate Pius for his promotion.
Ma'am, repeat once again.
Okay, both of you are colleagues. Pius has got promotion, okay, in his job, and Mamta is, Mamta wants to congratulate Pius for his promotion. You can take 2 minutes and then start.
Congratulations, Piyush.
Thank you, Mamta.
May this promotion be the perfect inspiration for you to make an even better contribution to your company.
Yes. Mamta, repeat once again.
May this promotion to be perfect inspiration for you to make the event perfect, to make the bigger contribution to your company.
Actually, I do best for my company, and I always think about the company, how to develop and how I can to take the best for company.
How can you do this? Can you share?
I am interested to learn new things, and I want to also know about past day and present and future day, how to develop our company and how I improved ourselves, and how I get better work for company, like I work 10 hours.
I want to thank you, Piyush.
Thank you.
The topic is same, but I want a more conversation on the same topic. So now I will choose Santonu is there. Santonu and Sivam is there. Sivam and Santonu. Let's start. Santanu and Sivam, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Santanu is responding. And Sivam, what about Sivam? Sivam, are you there? Sivam, are you there? I really don't know the reason why they are not responding. Deepak. Deepak, are you there? Strange. Deepak, are you there? Prabhat, are you there? Am I audible? What happened? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then those who are not responding, I will remove them. Okay.
Ma'am, Chunchun and Om are willing to speak.
Chun Chun, okay. Then say. Okay. Then Santanu and Chun Chun is ready to
Chunchun
start.
and Om. Chunchun and Om.
Chun Chun and Om. Okay. Om and Chun Chun. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. The topic is same as before. Suppose Chun Chun has got a promotion. Chun Chun and Om both are colleagues, and Chun Chun has got a promotion, and Om wants to congratulate Chun Chun for his success. Let's start.
Hi, Chunchun.
Hello.
How are you feeling? We have met after a long time.
Repeat again.